Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad that you are here for another video. I am back today with another lesson to help you in your professional journey. Are you ready to take the next step in your career but don't know how to ask for a promotion? Especially if you are not confident in speaking English? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide to asking for a promotion with confidence and professionalism. Plus, I'll share the exact phrases you can use. Let's get started. Before you ask for a promotion, it's important to be prepared. Preparation is the key to calming your fears and anxiety. Let's explore 3 steps to help you get ready to have a conversation with your boss. The first step is to research the role that you are planning to be promoted to. Learn and understand the responsibilities and expectations of the role you're aiming for. For example, if you want to move from team member to team leader, ask yourself, what does a team leader do? Use this phrase, I've been researching the responsibilities of a team leader, and I believe my skills match the job requirements. The next step is to gather evidence of your achievements. Make a list of your contributions to the company. Use measurable results if possible, like, I increased sales by 20% last quarter. Or, I led a project that saved the team 15 hours a week. You can continue by saying, over the past 12 months, I've consistently met and exceeded my targets. Then give an example. The third is to know the timing. Timing matters. Schedule your conversation after a successful project or during your performance review periods. You can say, I would like to schedule a meeting with you to discuss the next steps of my career in this company. Please let me know when you're available sometime this week. When it's time to have the conversation, it's best to follow this structure. First, start with gratitude. Always thank your manager for their support and guidance. For example, you can say, thank you for your support and feedback over the past year. It has helped me grow professionally. Then you will highlight your achievements. Mention your accomplishments clearly and confidently. You can use this example, in my current role, I've achieved. Here you can mention a couple of your accomplishments. Continue by saying, I believe these contributions have had a positive impact on our team and the company. Next, express your interest in growth. Clearly state that you're seeking a promotion and why a promotion is important to you at this time in your career. Here's an example. You can say, I'm very interested in taking on more responsibilities and contributing at a higher level. I believe a promotion to team leader would allow me to do so. You can go ahead and propose a plan. Show that you're proactive by suggesting a plan for transitioning into the new role. Say something like, if given the opportunity, I'd like to work on ensuring a smooth transition into the role. Finally, you can end with a positive tone by thanking your manager again and ask for their feedback. For example, say, thank you for considering my request. I'd appreciate your feedback on how I can continue to grow and contribute further to this company. Here are a few extra tips for non-native English speakers asking for a promotion at work. Practice beforehand. Rehearse what you're going to say with a friend, mentor, or even in front of a mirror. Focus on clear pronunciation. Speak slowly and clearly. Don't worry about having an accent. It's part of your identity. Be prepared for different scenarios. Your manager might ask questions like, why do you think you're ready for this role? Practice your answers in advance. I will give you some examples of possible scenarios and responses later on in the lesson. Don't forget to use positive body language. Sit up straight, maintain eye contact, and smile. Confidence is key, even if you feel nervous. Now let's explore possible scenarios of how your manager might respond to your promotion request and how you can effectively respond to each scenario. Scenario 1. Your manager says, we need more time to evaluate your request. Your response could be, I understand. Could we set a follow-up meeting in a few weeks to discuss this further? Scenario 2. Your manager says, "We don't have the budget for a promotion right now." You could respond by saying, "I completely understand the financial challenges the company is currently facing. However, could we discuss other ways I might take on more responsibilities or work towards a promotion in the future?" Scenario 3. Your manager says, "You need to develop certain skills before we can consider a promotion." Your response could go something like this: "Thank you for the feedback. Can you recommend specific areas I should focus on and any resources or training available in the company that might help me improve?" Scenario 4. If your manager asks you if you have any long-term goals, your answer could be, "My goal is to grow within the company and take on more responsibilities that aligns with my skills and experience." This shows your boss that you are dedicated in working and contributing to the success of the company in the long term. Scenario 5. Your manager says, "Yes, we can consider you for a promotion." With excitement and gratitude, you could say, "Thank you, I'm so excited about the opportunity and look forward to contributing at a higher level. Could we discuss the next steps?" Remember, staying professional and positive is key, regardless of the response, is crucial. And there you have it. We have come to the end of another lesson. I hope that you have gained some value from the content I've shared with you. I would like to thank you for watching this video today. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more professional tips and advice. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss another lesson, and share with a friend who's thinking about asking for a promotion soon. Remember, asking for a promotion is a significant step in your career journey. It's natural to feel a mix of excitement and nervousness, but with the right preparation and mindset, you're well on your way to achieving your professional goals. Take the time to reflect on your accomplishments, build on the feedback you receive from your boss, and continue to grow both personally and professionally. Your dedication and hard work will pay off in the long run. All the best with your promotion request, and I'll see you in the next video.